Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put the hood insulation on a 1989 Toyota Supra or any Mark III, and this is the gist of almost all hood insulations. So first, here's a little clip right there, and there's one identical on the other side right here. So this tab and that tab will rest right on those. Okay, so on eBay I got a bunch of these little tabs. These are just the Toyota hood pins. Nothing really special. The design's like that. And these go into all these little holes. They kind of just push in, kind of like how you took them out. Alright, I'm going to put the hood insulation on now. So I would line it up with the shock first. There's a little slit for that. And then it'll go in. And you'll be able to put it on. There's one. And the other is on. Alright, I would have 4 little push pins like these in your pocket so you don't have to do this again. Line up the hole. I would do it on the top and you just push it right in. There's one. Now it's holding it up. I'll do another one and then I'll show you what I did. I'll do this one right here. There's another. There's another. Alright. So, let me grab another pin. So, you see how it goes outward? That little lip grabs onto the metal, which holds it up. So I'll put another one on. So right there, you see the hole. So I'm going to put it through, and then you just push. It's hard to do one-handed. There it is. Now it's on. So you do all that for all the holes, and you put your hood insulation back on. Alright, so here's a close-up of how to put this pin in. See how it's lined up? And right here, the lip on that will hook into this metal. So you just line it up horizontal, and then you literally just push it in. You hear a snap, and it's good.